How to add Google reviews to Squarespace. So first, go to this website here. It's called elfsite.com. Next is just click on Google reviews after creating your account, and then just click on create widget. Next is you can choose the template for their Google reviews. So I'll just use this one, the first one, then just click on continue with this template. And now you need to type in your business name and address. So I'll just use this example here. Click on search and then just click on the search result. After that, just click on publish, close, and click on the three dots here. Click on embed code. After that, you just need to copy this code here, then go to your Squarespace website. Now, after this, just click on edit. Now look for the location where you want to add your Google reviews. So let's just say I want to add it here. Now click on add block. Now click on code. Next is just click on edit, and now paste your code here. Okay. Next is just drag it however you want, resize it. Okay, next is just click on save. Let's exit. Now let's see the preview. Okay, now you can see now we have a Google review. And that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.